Hello guys, welcome to Dope Bros.
We are at VCCCI Annual Vintage Car Fest 2026.
Let's check the legendary Ford Model T 1915. This car changed the game by becoming the first truly affordable automobile for middle-class Americans. Powered by simple 4-cylinder engine with 2-speed transmission. It was not fast, but it could handle tough and rough roads like a champ. What really made it iconic was assembly line production, which made cars production costs reduced and affordable to everybody. Our next car is legendary and luxurious car Minerva Type NN 1919. Look at the logo on the bonnet. Minerva wearing a helmet which is in gold. It just feels more royal, elegant and luxurious car. There are two huge headlights in the front and two lights at the side of the door, which are also covered by gold plated. You can see steering wheel and dashboard beautifully preserved like a vintage car. Check out this rear cabin, guys. Fully enclosed for privacy. There is a partition between front seat and back seat, similarly what you see in Rolls Royce. Might be Rolls Royce copied from this car. Here we can see dashboard, front glass support, side mirror, door handle, spoke wheels, etc. are in gold color, which looks more richness. It is Rolls Royce of that time. Steyr Touring Car 1921. It is the only car of this type in India. Steyr is an Australian company active in 1915 to 1959. This car comes with 3.3 liter 6-cylinder engine, which is mostly used for touring. The car is very huge, guys. Comes with 6 and 7 seats. If you see from the front, there are two huge headlights, two lights beside the front door. And there is red alloy wheels. Austin 7, often nicknamed Baby Austin, was popularly small machine produced in the UK, basically become the common man's car. This is Hudson 8 1933. It was luxurious and high performance vehicle of that time. Noted for its powerful straight 8 engine with 3-speed manual transmission. Our next car is a truly American luxury legend, the Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. This car was produced between 1977 to 1987. It perfectly represents the classic old school American luxury vibe. Under the hood, you will get a powerful V8 engine paired with full automatic transmission. Now let's talk about the design. The first thing you notice is that up front you have got the massive chrome grille with the iconic Cadillac logo sitting proudly on the bonnet. It gives the car a strong, almost mafia style road presence. Moving to the rear, The car features a huge boot space along with beautifully designed tail lights and solid chrome bumper, Fleetwood Bohème badging written in elegant cursive. The wheels are another highlight. Classic spoke style design with Cadillac badging in the center. Now stepping inside the interior, it's all about vintage charm. You will get a beautifully styled dashboard elegance. The seats are super soft and comfortable with center armrest that adds to luxury experience. Even the doors feels premium. You will notice the Cadillac badging, chrome finish and wooden trim on the handles. Guys, you don't believe, on the door on this car comes with light, switch off electronic seat belts, side mirror adjustment and power window switches. This car comes with all these features at that time. Guys, look at this beauty. This is an stunning green Mercedes-Benz W120 content series built from 1953 to 1962. This car is so beautiful. Honestly, this color just hits different. Up front, chrome grills with classic Mercedes star on top. Wheels even have Mercedes star badging. I think this car comes with i4 engine. And guys, the interior, the owner has kept so beautifully maintained. Really shows the love for this car. Chrome bumpers front and back, and honestly from some angle it feels like a standard version of old Ambassador. Guys, you can see now all Mercedes lineup here. The first car comes Mercedes S123 year 1932. The second one is even more attractive. This is 1967 Mercedes 330 W111 Fintail sedan. It comes with 2.3 liter i6 engine. Guys, just look at the massive chrome plated rectangular grille with the Mercedes star sitting proudly on top. There is classic white wall tires and those polished chrome hubcaps. It looks so beautiful, pure vintage luxury. And that's a wrap of part 1 of VCCCI 2026. But the real show is still coming up in part 2. Part 2 brings you stunning collection of royal vintage cars and some truly iconic luxury vehicles. So don't miss it. We'll see you in part 2. Bye.